Shoulders back.
Oh,
Very good. Shoulders are gonna stretch back. Good. Good. All the way back. Good. Good. All right. Very good. All the way back. Good. Very good. Fill up. Good. Perfect. Good. Perfect. Good. 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 And we're going. Good. You can feel right here in the sacroiliac joint, a little higher at L5 where the dysfunction is. Good. Good. Wow. Great. We're going to go right into that. Very good. And realign it. Right on the lumbar joints. Very good. Good. Chiropractic adjustment on it. Very good. Very good. Drop the shoulder. Good. Good. Relax. Good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Our sacroiliac joint right here. Good. Push in on this joint and our low back joints here too. Good. There we go. Good. All the way. Very good. Good. Relax the shoulders. Very good. Good.
Ooh.
3. Good. All the way out, we're going to lean back. Come all the way back. Very good. Just relax. Great.